human rights are simply rights will exist to you because you're a human being. So just by virtue of being a human being, that means you have rights, these rights. And these rights are inherent. What I mean by that, it means that you're born with it. So regardless of your sex, religion, nationality, color, ethnicity, language or status, you have those rights. The most fundamental right that you or anybody have is your right to life. And you have other rights, right to your health, right to food, education, liberty, whether freedom, and your right to work. It's the state's responsibility, it's the state's duty to protect its citizens. So anything that is done that violates your rights, and it's done by someone in authority, what we call non-state actors, the state will be responsible. It says we're all free and equal, which means we're all born. You have to think for yourself, you have your own idea. Nobody can tell you how to think, nobody can tell you how not to tell you what ideas you should come up with. Don't discriminate, the right to life, no slavery, past and present. And remember, people are talking, they say the modern day slavery is fast becoming human trafficking, but that's a different topic. But so when it says past and present, it's making reference to any kind of form of slavery. It says no torture. I said we all have the right to use the law because you're a person and you have protection of the law. And when you look at the Constitution, you're going to see that at Section 6 of our Constitution. It says you're all protected by the law, fair treatment before the courts, no unfair detainment, and the right to trial. It gives you a protection of right to life, right to personal liberty. And when we say liberty, we mean your freedom to be free to move about how you want in your country, in your house, or wherever. Protection of inhumane treatment, protection from arbitrary search or entry, protection from freedom of movement, freedom of conscience. And when we say conscience, we mean you think what religion you want to be a part of and things like of that nature. You have protection of freedom of assembly and association. So if you want to join a union, you have a right to that. You have freedom to do that. You have protection of right to privacy, the right to work, and protection from discrimination on the grounds of race, sex, nationality, or language, ethnicity, and all those things. So you're protected by virtue of this covenant. Several mechanisms on how you could protect your rights in Belize. We start our government institutions. You have the court, police. You could go to the police and you make a report. You could go and make a report at their internal affairs, and you could go to the ombudsman and you could make a report there. You also have the Human Rights Commission of Belize, and then you have different NGOs.